Hello and welcome back to Satisfactory. Today we'll just have a quick look. I set up my computer factory over here. I got very tired of hand feeding it. And I do have a slight issue with the plastic production down there. We need to figure that one out. And that is where we are coming to today. As you can see in the top right corner, we are missing 50 computers, which I have on hand. So let's fire that off and see what happens.
The fuel generator will match power generation to the increased consumption of recently acquired technologies and buildings. Additionally, improved conveyor belts and lifts can now be constructed. Caterium scanning unlocked.
Right, let's check that out. Nothing there, nothing there. Power, fuel generator. So that's caterium wires, I think. Must be. Quick wire, yeah. So that's a new recipe. We got Mark IV lifts. Okay, that's 480 and that's encased concrete. That's a fair upgrade. Nothing new there, nothing new there, nothing there, and nothing there. Right, so that was this one. Fuel generator. Takes 150 megawatts each. That's a pretty good chunk. Let's see what. Well, I need to find Caterium first. First, though, I do want to make something else. I need coal. Coal is down here. Because I think we should do a little bit of research in the map. See, I was out running around and I found quartz and caterium just lying around. Caterium requires caterium ore, which I don't have on me because I probably dropped off over here because it's an ore. That's the caterium ore. That's what we want. I have no idea where I got it from. It was just lying around. So we got enough of that. What does it do? Right? New scannable resources. Okay. And I can't. Can you? So that. Oh. Holy bugger. Well. Let's go to sulfur instead. We need black powder. I have no idea what this leads down. Black powder makes me think of explosives. Which means I need... Well, is that this one maybe? I haven't made the object scanner yet either. There. Black powder. What's this? Sulfur. 2 sulfur. Right, so... Thank you. Let me out. Any more sulfur down here? I got 28. That won't get us anywhere. Well, that was fast and not so productive. Let's go look for another thing then. We have something called specials. Yes, special, thank you very much. Something called an awesome sink and an awesome shop. I want those, and since we have these over here, I think having an awesome shop here would not be so bad. See? Awesome shop. Ah, this is where I get all the fancy stuff. Yes. Conveyor wall attachments. Wall attachments for all things. Power outlets for walls. Ooh, this is nice. And I get corner pieces and foundations and double ramp pack. I have no idea what a double ramp is. That the... Oh, it's too wide. Foundation expansion? Glass foundations? Oh, this is nice. A golf cart. Okay, fair enough. Railings and ladders and stairs. Oh, I wonder why we didn't go in here before. Statues. Well, okay, we'll get that one at some point. We can buy 10 beacons. Coffee cup, we can buy color, we can buy parachute. Well, that's not so interesting. We can buy parts. 200 circuit boards for this. 100 powder for 3. Plenty of options. Right, there is one more thing. That's the awesome sink. That's a big one. Where can we put an awesome sink? I have no idea what it means, but get the idea that's where we drop items in and stuff happens. So yeah, that's a big machine. Let's plunk that one there and just see what it is. Does it take power? It takes power. Right. Where do we have power? At a convenient location? That's full of power. I have to be careful, otherwise the vacuum cleaner will get me. Yeah, it's a vacuum cleaner. I will stretch that one to here. And to there. Power. So let's see what this one does. 0 coupons. How about concrete? Can I dump concrete in? No. Okay, I need a storage then. We'll take one of these. And you can conveniently sit. Now I want you to align with that corner. And that's as good as it gets. So if I take, well, we got some iron ingots I don't need. Can try these and we can try this. Let's see what happens. So 3 iron going in. Oh, that's only 2 points each. It's not a lot. Ooh, concrete is much better. That's 4. That's a bad sound. That's a real bad sound. Okay, now we're getting those in. They're also worth 4. That's not bad. What about some copper sheets? We take 25 of those. What happens? I'm guessing there'll be 4. Let's just see. No, they are actually worth quite a bit. Right, we'll get the rest of them. And to be honest, um, I think we'll pop a Mark III belt on it just because I don't have the resources for it. So a Mark II belt then. There we go. Right. Well, I need to direct surplus resources into this. And then we can buy the stuff. We can get the walls and things I've been looking for. I just didn't understand this was the way to get them. So I'm looking for walls. Well, you need a few. Windowed walls, door walls, metal walls, conveyor walls, and metal conveyor walls. Right now I'm actually looking at 7 of those. What else do we have we can try plunking in? Well, let's just run down and test it. Still a few minutes before this thing comes back. Can I just run up top and access it from here? Yeah. So I need... Ooh, wow, that's a lot. Well, what happens if I toss in 100 of those? There we go. Well, they're worth 12 each. That's not bad. What about these? Wow, that's 50-ish? Well, you can have the rest. No problem. What about screws? How good are screws? Well, screws seem to be about 4 each. So they're not really the good stuff. But those cables, that's really a good thing. Together with these copper sheets. What about pipes? Pipes seem to be doing 50-ish as well. What about these frames? What do they give? Vouchies. Oh, vouchers, actually. Those frames, they were... Hey, wait a minute. Could I buy frames? Oh, Rocket is coming back. I just want to see something. I believed I could buy frames. I can buy heavy frames. Yeah. 50 heavy frames. I want to see what happens if I chuck 50 heavy frames in. Because I can easily recoup the loss of those tickets. I will start with 25. Let's just see, where are we? We are at this. So if I take 25 frames, what's gonna happen? Holy smokes! You know what? You're gonna get the 25 more. I think there's diminishing returns on this. Yeah, see. Definitely diminishing returns. But not bad. Right, now I got 26 coupons. And I can buy my walls. And maybe we should try that small cart. Although I don't think that's... But we want these and these attachments. Yes, please. That makes my life so much easier. Foundations. I think this one is what I want just now. Oh, I see what it means by double ramp. That's because it's etching up on both sides. I think we'll see how much we got here. Right. Let's see what we got. Nothing there. Nothing there. Oh, wall outlet. Attaches to a wall. Ah, so this is through a wall? Yes, that's nice. And we got the wall mounts. Oh, and holes for wall mounts. Yes. What do we got down here? Nothing. Pillar top, pillar base, pillar middle. Perfect. Walls. Yes, look at this. All the nice stuff. And I got wall mount, wall hold, so I can just plunk it into an opening and we'll be good to go. Yes, that's very nice. Right. Next up, we can scan for Caterium. Please Please find me something nice. There. 600 meters. 900 meters. Where's my truck? And far away. Hold on a minute. Yeah, I got fuel. Let's refuel it. We got plenty of it. We got all sorts of materials here. I do want to set up a miner, because I'm gonna need something. So 2 of you, 1 and 2. Let's just see. We want a Mark II miner, definitely. And we got it all. Yeah, we'll just carry the ore back and do whatever we need to do with it here. Right now though, we just need to wait on the ping. There we go. Can I get around here without dropping over the edge? I don't want to drop over the edge. Oh, 3 more. Now I'm stuck. Oh, that's just great. Did I carry my chainsaw? Those trees will have to go. Nope, I didn't. I wonder, how did I get stuck in here? There we go. No, not. Ow. Man. I just went straight back in. Go this way. Thank you. I think I need to go this way. And halt. Ethereum, where are you? That way. And that's a hole. Are you on one of the other islands? I think I can go this way. I don't think I've been in this area before. Whoops, what's that? No signs? We'll just... Yeah, no signs, and right away I hear them. Where the heck are they? There. Up on the rock. Whoa! He could get me. Where are you now? Now you can't get me. Thank you. Well, I'll take you. Actually, I was gonna take you. Green power slug. I can always use a power slug more. And let's see, how do I get up again? Yeah, that's too far. I have to go run around. There it is. And let's just go up here and have a look. I'm guessing it's over there. Yep, that's where it is. I need to get down there. Right. There we go. Whoa. That was a sharp turn. Down here. Um. Yeah, I see where this is heading. I got 2 copper nodes there, but I need to get up there. Let's just see. I should be able to make it up again. And that is a dead end. I need to hit that ledge there. Which can't be done. Not in this. Right. And I fell off another edge. Wow. Talk about a hill climber. I probably wanna go off-road. Okay, that was the noise. Yeah, this is where I want to be. No mob sounds, that's good. Oh, did I completely miss where oh, there they are. Right. Did I have... That's the wrong 9. I need this one. I don't have concrete. That's on my truck. So, yeah, there's that. That's an island, so that's no use. Back we go. Get the truck. Ow, that's a rock. The truck has concrete. At least a little bit. Right, there we are. And we have no idea about the wildlife. So, since we are heading that way... Hey, that's a bad foundation. Well, it'll have to be there. Can I build underneath? No, I can't. Yeah, bad placement. But we will just have to do it. And same technique I used on the sky bridge. That's what I'm gonna do here. See, I can then go poof, doo, doo, doo. No, there. Underneath. One more. Underneath. And taking care not to drop off anywhere. And there we go. And then we take out this one. Doop, doop, da. I will just run here and take the wrist down. Right, let's check for wildlife. There might be a mob here, because there usually is. I'm guessing since this is a high value resource, it's a fire breathing dragon. Or some sort. Wow, I can't get rid of those. Can I... No. Can I do a portable miner? Oh, wait a minute. We'll just pop here. And say... Caterium. And we'll give that one a... It's a yellowish color. Kind of like that. Yep, that's Caterium. Now, can I do a portable miner here? Will it work? It sure will. Well, one more. And I'll just wait here a bit and fill up on all sorts of things so that I got Caterium that we can bring back and do stuff with. So once I have it, I'll be right back. Right, we got 6 stacks of this stuff. That should be enough for a while. I'm thinking I got a line. Where's my truck? There it is. See, right there in the background, we can see the coal line. So I'm thinking I'll just bring the power over from that. Whoops, that's a cliff. And that was trees. Well, or I can just bring it from that line there. We'll see. It looks like I actually need explosives. What's this? what's that up there? Oops, poison gas. I believe that's a poison gas flower. Shall we see? It's quite nice looking. Yep, that's poison gas. We definitely don't want poison gas flowers. I don't know if we can get rid of them somehow and clean the area. That would be a quite nice thing. And around the corner. Whee! We'll just take it up this ramp. And 1, 2, 3, and up. And out of the truck. So we needed Caterium. Ow. Can we make Caterium? How to make quick wire? But we'll just convert you into a power shard. Thank you. And drop off the remains. And this one and that one. And I got a bunch of stuff in the truck. For now though, let's go into the map. We were looking at Caterium. It wanted us to have this. Thank you. 600 out of 50. Fair enough. So can I smelt them now? Apparently I can. And I need 50 of them. Can I build foundry quick? And this and that and those and these and those and some of those. This and that. And I think we got it covered. Is that a constructor? I'm guessing yes. What am I missing? I'm missing those cables. What happened with those? Oh yeah, I chucked them into the thing downstairs. That was until I found the heavy frames. That's copper sheets, not what I'm looking for. And I got a sneaky suspicion my plastic ran out again. And that's simply because of space constraints. No, it's still running. That's actually quite nice. This way. Constructor. No, that's not a constructor. I need a smelting thingamajig. Thank you. Please power. Thank you. And what do we do? Yes, I can do Caterium in here. So it needs 3 to make 1. Yikes! Well, it's nice that I actually built that many of them. And we will grab a few power shards. Because it's going way too slow. We got the power, so let's crank it to 250. Rip. There. That's better. And I needed 50 of these. Well then. Caterium, there we go. Yes. 50. And then we can go for the rest. Caterium actually has a big tree. There was also a crystal tree. It's quartz. Well, let's while we're waiting for Caterium to smelt, we will just go Ray. Because I got 45 of these. Probably nowhere near enough. But we'll do it. Just because we can. So what do you get from this? That allows us to do quartz crystal or glass silica. I'm choosing you. Because then we can make crystal oscillators. That's a new part we can do. Fair enough. I think you stopped because you ran out. But we almost have it. 3 more. That's the 50. Caterium. Can I please have my wires? Thank you very much. Quick wire. Then I can do Caterium electronics and 5 inventory slots. Right. Let's grab these 20 and have a look. Can we do quick wires? Oh, I can craft them in here as well. Ah, that's nice to know. Quick wire. I get how many? 5 per? Hey, that is not a bad deal then. And I needed 50 of those for something. Why did I need 50? Was it this one? No. This one, no. I'm sure I needed it for something. I forgot. Was it big? Oh, right. This one needed 50, that's why. Yeah. Miner Mark II is off the table right now, but a couple of fuel generators are on. So let's just finish up these. That should give us enough for 2 fuel generators. Rubber I do have. And then I need some copper sheets to bring along. There. I got the motors. And let's see, I should have 100 rubber right there. I got some heavy modular frames. And to be honest, I think I will just buy. I'm not in the mood to do anything right now. I know it's wasteful and what have you, but they just seem the way to go right now. Thank you. Then we need computers. Computers should be working fine over here. Yeah, I got 50 of them. So computers are good. I just need copper sheets and then we will go down to our oil facility because I got a slight issue with fuel probably bagging up. Wow, they are really disappearing. It's not because you're lacking anything. Yeah. Well, we'll just leave it be and probably going to reorganize everything again. Nothing here is permanent, but vacuum. Boom. Ow, 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 ow. That looks like I'm getting a face full of plastic, but I'm actually flying right underneath. Um, Probably not the best decision to make it like this. Ow, 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 ow. Kind of ruins the view a little bit. If I could just zoom in and out, it would be nice. Hmm. Even though I've been back and forth a few times, I'm still looking for. Well, that's a crash site. Didn't notice that before. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Any signs of crash, because those are quite handy. I think there's another one down there. Autosave? No? Flonk. See, I set up this and that's completely full of fuel. That's full of fuel. I got a sneaky suspicion that we are actually filling everything up with fuel. Yeah, that's full. What about these? They are almost to the shutdown point. So yeah, there's that. First off though, this one comes down here and that is our main alignment. I have no idea if we need any additional items for the fuel thing, the fuel generator. It might be. Oh, we ran out of concrete. Well, that's great. Well, how big are you? You are pretty damn big. And I don't have the concrete for it. Huh. Well, that's planning. We will grab a few of these then. We can let you hang in the air. That's completely structurally sound. Everybody knows that. Um, well, we might actually want one there. Just in case. I really don't want to fall into the water and get stuck underneath. So, can we build you now? Once I get out of the picture, I really need to get up a bit higher. So, the top of this one will do nicely. See, there it is. That's... Can we move it over there? There we go. Now, how did I get up? That's the... That's the ladder. Nope. Thank you. And we will just take you to there. And since you are fuel, you go there. That should power this thing. It's getting all the power. And where did my power line come in? So, from you to you. Wow, that is a funky looking engine. So 1.125 megawatts, or 1.125 gigawatts. That's cool. And how much are you burning? 15 per minute? Yikes, that's a lot. How much are we creating? Just curious here. How much can this one do? It can do 40 per minute. And needs 60. How much does this one produce? It gives how much? 20? And okay, it gives 10 per minute. So we should be, yeah, we're still having a surplus. But since I don't have the concrete to build yet another one, I think yeah, that's what I don't wanna. I think we'll just return to, can I? Yep, I could. Let's return to base. We need more concrete. And then we can build a second one. Then we'll be sure not to have backup. But at least now we have postponed the backing up point a little bit. I'd much rather have these oil generators right now just kicking on and off, because plastic is the thing I'm looking for. Then we'll set up something to do something else at some other point. Now, that plastic operation should be more or less self-contained power-wise. But if it's not, then we got it connected to the main network. Now, where was it we had this crash site? It's up here somewhere? Yeah, over there. I'm thinking I'll have to make an expedition up here some point. Yeah, that's definitely a crash site. See? Right up there on top of whatever it is. Any others we can see? Top down is no good. What about over there? No, that doesn't look like a promising. Whoa, and down we go. And almost there, around the corner. Plonk. Right. Well, between episodes, I will pop over and set up the rest. For now, though, we got one more task. I need sulfur. So I should have the material still for Mark II miner. So let's just end by looking at sulfur. Where did we have sulfur? Sulfur was 800 that way. Oh, wait a minute. I think I remember I spotted a sulfur over at the steel factory. And I think oh. And I actually believe I even marked it with a beacon. Let's just quickly pop over and take a look. Because I was sure I was going to. And while we are driving over, we are just going to take a quick light pole impact. Yeah, that was. Let's just call that one planned, shall we? I can't get up there, can I? This truck is amazing terrain. I think so. Whoever designed that should build them in real life. Those would really do something. There. Now we definitely have cables, and I need the concrete. All the concrete. Concrete. There. Now I should have enough for whatever it is I want to do. Now, the reason I want sulfur is I'm sure that black powder will somehow lead to explosives. And that should make my life a little bit easier on the Caterium. Because it should allow me to automate production of it. So up the ridge and down the other side. And I don't know what's most efficient. Is it trucks going back and forth? Or is it putting a conveyor? The truck was fine until it got stuck repeatedly. Then it was just annoying. Yeah, see? That's my sulfur marker. So we do have sulfur over here. Should really also build the big truck. I remember taking... Oh, that's a crash site. Don't think we went to that one. I tried taking my truck over there. That was a bad idea. It got stuck pretty bad. But I did make a path up. And right there, we got it. This is sulfur. So let's pop a truck. You got my pipes. I'm sure I had pipes. Should have checked before. Well, then I need to have it in the legs. Da, 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 da. And yes, there is an edge here, and I can't see the bottom, so I'm afraid to jump. That could end pretty badly. Right. Miner Mark II. Power. We will do. We'll just go straight across this way. Wait a minute. Now I'm down somewhere where I don't want to be. There we go. Can I reach? There. Now we got sulfur coming in. And I just need a bunch of sulfur. So, right now I'm just gonna pop one of these. That's probably going to bite my rear end. But we'll just keep it as a buffer. Now, since we're using a Mark II, we probably need a Mark II. No, not that one. One of these. Will that keep up? Yep, just barely. 120. And how much did I need? I needed a lot. At least 100. And at least 100 I got. Right. We are going back and completing the next part of gunpowder. Because I want to blast some rocks. And full speed ahead and over the edge. Right here. And speed it up. I think when I ran down the big incline on my sky bridge, I got close to 100k. And that turned out to be rather uncontrollable. That's how my truck ended up in the water. Yeah, that was not so nice. Let's just see. We are just coming in for a quick stop over here. And park now. Perfect. Now, did I have what I needed? Can I do it in this one? Yes, I can, but I only got enough for 20, so I need more coal. Yeah. Can you get close so I can reach you? Thank you. And you can have that. Right, now I can make 59 black powder. So, yeah, that's not the fastest thing in the world, but we are getting there. Just need 50 of them. Da, da, da. That's already 30. And 40. Let's see if 50. Okay, ma'am. Now you got all this stuff. Where is my sulfur? That's here? No? There? Thank you. Volatile applications. Right. Did we get anything new in here? No. So what's the new recipes? We got rifle cartridge. The rifle. That's pretty expensive. What's this? Obelisk detonator. It requires 5 object scanners, which needs 3 beacons. Right? What's this? Obelisk explosives. That's what we want. Well, it looks like I am running out of time for this episode. So next time we will take a look at mass producing explosives so we can get our Caterium nodes unlocked. I believe I don't destroy the node by blowing up the rocks on top. But we'll take a look next time. Until then, bye bye.